In the beginning?
In the beginning, there are materials, raw, varied, diverse.
Iron, aluminum, nickel, carbon, titanium, silicon, copper.
Then come transformations and associations that are increasingly bold and precise.
Superalloys, high-resistance steels, elastomers, carbon fibers, resins, honeycombs, ceramics, metal powders, textiles.
Or the creation of new materials with innovative and patented processes.
Such as 3D woven carbon fibers composites or ceramic matrix composites.
In the beginning, there are women and men everywhere in the world.
Engineers, technicians, and workers who invent, develop, model, design, and calculate, while others test, analyze, and improve. And still others manufacture, industrialize, inspect, assemble, and deliver. All in a team, all committed to ensuring the highest quality.
Women and men with common values.
Who build with their partners and their customers and join their expertise to invent the future.
A future that is built each day in high-tech plants located worldwide.
Digital plants that implement artificial intelligence, robots, cobots, and automated lines that use virtual reality and augmented reality.
Plants where we invent processes, tools, and methods, continually improving efficiency and reliability and pushing limits.
Looms used to manufacture light pieces. Additive manufacturing for producing complex pieces in a few hours.
Plants where we can capture and process information, make data and algorithms speak to us, and develop new services.
Autonomous driving, in-flight data operational use, health status of our products, and predictive maintenance.
Tomorrow's world should always be imagined ahead of time. Never stop inventing, reinventing ourselves, creating technological breakthroughs, thinking outside of the box.
To propose new products, be even more fuel efficient, reduce emissions and noise, and use of all the potential of electrical energy and hybridization.
With always more benefits for our users, customers, and passengers.
Performance, comfort, availability, environmental compliance, security, reliability, trust.
Because whether on the ground or in the air, every detail counts. From the material's first molecule to the final assembly. In the beginning, there was a crazy dream to fly, to move, to conquer space. Today, there's Safran, the third largest actor worldwide in aeronautics. A group that allows more than 4 billion women and men to travel all around the world. A group that helps to improve the protection of citizens and that facilitates access to space. An industrial group with a strong identity. An innovative, passionate group.
We build the future.
We build the future.